Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat and a kitten. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a cat and a kitten. I'm starting with its head and ears. Here's its mouth. And this is its tiny nose. Now I'm drawing its eyes. Wow! Now I'm using a thin black pen to draw its eyebrows. Here's a mustache. Here's its paw. Now I'm drawing the kitten. It's a cute little kitten. Now I'm using my thin black pen again. I'm drawing its back, and this is its long tail. My drawing is done. Now I will do a little bit of coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my gray pen. Okay, I'm using a little bit of red. Now I'm using my cyan pen in its eyes. Now I'm using orange in the kitten. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.